And so as the word cloud continues to generate, I think most of us are probably familiar with word clouds, but just in case some of us aren't, the larger the word is, the more times it's been entered. And so the more prominent that emotion is amongst our group. And so what we want to say about these emotions is that these emotions are all present now. We're talking about race. This is a presentation about race. And even in this virtual space, these emotions are present. And so usually we're asked to leave these emotions at the door. We see them as what causes us to stop learning about race or prevents us from learning things that we need to know. And so we're either tacitly or explicitly asked to not bring our emotions into spaces where we're learning about race. And we flip that on its head, obviously, because here we're doing a practice bringing them into this space. And we flip this on its head because we understand that all of these emotions at their core are trying to do something to help us. There's a wisdom that they possess that needs to be heard, that's trying to help us flourish in some way. And when we take the time to get grounded, to come back to ourselves, to understand the wisdom within these emotions, instead of anxiety, that seems to be the most present, so I'll just work with that one. Instead of anxiety being what prevents us from learning about race and racism, anxiety can become one of the emotions that helps sustain and motivate us to continue learning about anti-racism when we understand what it's trying to bring to our lives. So the question is then, how do we do this? How do we tend to these emotions? And an important aspect of emotions is the role of ideology. And so I'll hand it back over to Chris here to